Hello. I'm gonna do background music. 1, 2, 3. Oh, does my quality look better? I'm trying to make it look better. But hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing DIYs. Like DIYs for your bird. So like if you want a bird feeder, I'm gonna make it I'm gonna make 3 or 5, yeah, 5 DIYs, life hacks and stuff. So let's get to it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You're gonna need an empty soap box. Okay. Then I'm gonna go get the scissors. Give me a second. Be right back. I am so unprepared for this video, man. Okay. So let me cut this. It's hard, okay? Okay, I'm stab. So you do not want to do this like I did because I literally just stabbed the whole freaking thing. Oh, here. Sorry. I just choked on my saliva. Okay. So I forgot. So in the last video, I forgot that I even had a TV to play background music on it. But this laptop acts up. So every time I try to post a video, the whole freaking screen blacks out. Oh. Alright. I'll show you guys when I'm done cutting. Alright, so I'm done cutting this. This is how you want it to look like. Wow. I did this so sloppy, you guys. I didn't get these ideas from YouTube. I just got them from my own head. Because I dream and then I write them down. So
When you get mad, I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's shooting me? I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne.
Alright. Empty box, everything. Oh, where's the tape? Okay, get the tape. 1, 2, 3. So I'm back, guys. I can't find the freaking tape. Okay, let's just skip this part. So then you gotta get a cloth. Here's it. So any type of cloth. I got this cloth from the dollar store for my bearer. It looks very, I don't know. I'm not going to show my lower body because I'm not wearing any pants. Oh, enable storage. This computer's it's breaking. I'm the one who broke her computer. Okay. So you'd want it like this, but you gotta put holes on the side because you're gonna be hanging this on their cage. So get to you when I got the holes. Okay, I got the holes on the side. Alright, and I'm gonna put the string through. String is so thick. This isn't even string. This is rope. I don't know. I use this rope for my mom robot. But mom robot's gonna be back, but like better. Cause I have like the supplies now. Let me move this here. Okay. I don't know, man. You don't want this like that. Mom robot was not for me for my head.
I guess I'm pretty glad that you're
And I'm trying to tame the other birds, but they just keep biting me. September.
I don't see what she sees, but maybe
Mostly
it's 'cause
September.
I'm
Okay.
cologne.
Alright, there we go. So if you like want to add like stickers or whatever, you can do that. But like, I'm not gonna do that. Oh shoot! Ew. Oh well. I tried. Next DIY. Alright. Okay. So you need a water bottle. So like, take off this piece. Oh, I got scissors. Take off this piece, and you got this. Okay. Then you want to take out the extra water. Alright. Now you gotta open it up like this. Like this. So you wanna like make a cut right in the middle. And then let me go with the other materials. I keep on forgetting. Okay. Okay. So you're gonna need a spoon, but like I don't have a plastic spoon. And that's what you need. This one is a photo. Let me look through my book real quick because that's where the real stuff is. Alright, so I looked through my book and I'm making a pearch water bottle. So like, alright, I'm gonna start doing more videos of Eli because I got his own background stage. Like, I'll show you guys, wait. Alright, so this is the water bottle perch. You can add like other perches to it, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Alright, let me go get it. Okay, you guys, I got it. And this is Eli's background. I have his own flashlight thing. Like, let me get it. Oh, I don't know where that is. I'm too lazy. Okay. Alright, so those DIYs were like a fail. I tried, but like, I can't make the video like too long because I have this cool DIY outfit. But Eli's birthday's coming up, and I'm gonna make a vlog about that. So I've got the invitations. It's gonna be Winnie the Pooh themed, and yeah. bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. After this one, I'm about to just make another one because I'm weird. Anyways, bye!